Welcome. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Close your eyes and allow yourself to take a long, deep breath in and exhale gently, releasing any tension you might feel. This time is for you to relax, to let go, and to experience a lightness within. Focus on your breath, feeling each inhale as it fills you with calm energy, and each exhale as it releases anything weighing on your mind. Imagine that with each breath, you're gently clearing space within yourself. Inhale, filling up with peace, and exhale, letting go of any tension, worry, or heaviness. Now picture yourself in a beautiful open sky, soft, endless, and full of light. Imagine that you're floating here, weightless and free. Feel any lingering thoughts or concerns gently dissolving in this open sky, as if they're clouds drifting far away. You are light, free, and unburdened, floating peacefully in this endless blue sky. In this space, nothing holds you back. You feel a gentle sense of peace and lightness filling every part of you. As you float in this sky, notice how good it feels to let go, to release anything that doesn't serve you. Here you are free. Free from worries, free from tension, free from anything that holds you down. Breathe in this feeling of freedom and ease, allowing it to fill you completely. Take a moment to enjoy this sensation of lightness, knowing that this freedom is always within you. When you're ready to return, start to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this lightness with you, knowing that you can come back to this feeling of freedom anytime you need.